Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable media gallery view on Mega account. So first you're going to go to the Mega app, then click on the menu section on the lower right corner. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again you're going to click on user interface. Then as you can see there's the gallery view option. It's turned off, so you're going to turn it on. So when you turn it on, open folders with only images or videos and a visual grid will be displayed, as well as you can browse media by thumbnail and filter by date. So that's the main purpose of it. You guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, as I've been mentioning it. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.